Hello there, my name is Francesco and today I will present you this vintage Waltham pocket watch. We make these videos because we value the customer's trust and transparency. So, here we have a stunning vintage Waltham pocket watch from 1906. This watch has nearly 120 years. This is a great traveler movement, 16 size, 7 jewels, with an open face and, as you can see, pendant set. Let's watch the movement running. Imagine the amount of history that such a piece has inside. It's nearly 120 years of history behind this watch. Someone in 1906 purchased this pocket watch and it's now in my hands here to show you, the future customer, this vintage watch. Imagine in how many countries and how many people have handled this piece. Amazing. I swear, I love pocket watches. So, thank you for joining me. If you want to purchase this particular watch, it's available in our store with worldwide shipping. Have a look at the links in our description. Buona giornata and have a wonderful day.